Welcome everyone to another exciting series of Navratri series organized by Things Etc. and the Creative Kalakar. So Things Etc. is a social enterprise which works with 1,000 plus artisans across 19 locations in the country to create handmade eco-friendly products for gifting and home decors. And we at the Creative Kalakar conduct online art workshops for heritage folk arts of across the world. So you might be enjoying these sessions. So we have completed with our Varli, Mandala, Madhubani, Sora and Ipan sessions. And today we'll be doing a very unique art form, a very different art form from what we have been doing in the past few days. Today we'll be doing contemporary art. So contemporary art is basically a type of modern art wherein we can use it, we can make it digitally or with hand by simply modern techniques and modern requirements. So let's start. Since the Navratri is going on and Durga Puja has started, so today we'll be drawing Ma Kali in contemporary form. So we will require a white sheet of paper, black pen, color pencils and color sketch pens. So we'll start by tracing the outline for Mahakali. Very first, we'll create a moon shape. And a triangular pendant type design. So contemporary art is anything modern that you see or any modern design that you use in this. So you can even create this digitally. Series of triangles and a circle in between. So we have created 5 triangles and a circle in the center. Next up, leaving a few centimeters of space, we'll draw a circle. You can use your geometric tools. Approximately 7 to 8 centimeter radius circle. And one more circle inside this at a distance of approximately 0.3 centimeter. So we'll give the look and feel of this as if it's very modern and very digitally made, but we'll make this freehand. So I'll teach you the technique for it. Next up, after making these circles, we'll create leaves pattern. So 3 curved leaves and an actual leaf in between them on either side. So this will be the border part for our drawing today. So we'll continue the same border throughout. So modern art is really very easy, and as you can see how simple and easy it is, yet beautiful. Three leaves and one single leaf. Similarly, we'll continue this throughout. Again, same, 3 leaves and a single leaf. So this is really very easy, as you can see. The coloring part is the most interesting for this. So we're done with our border. Now we'll create the facial details. A triangle. This is a kind of a necklace that we'll make. Next up, we'll go with the face of Durga Ma, Kali Ma. Her tongue. Teeth. So drop shapes. For the jewelry. Semicircles for hair. Similarly on this side. Oil drops or raindrop shape. And just circles and ovals, kind of a chain. Semicircles. Now here a distinguished triangle, rounded triangle. Again, strands of her hair, wavy. Now we'll go for the nose. few circles for her a bindi, the third eye, and her eyes. So this is the simplest form since we are using since we are doing contemporary art. Using the modern styles, you can make any design as per your wish. You can make similar designs using the pattern. For a mukut, okay, so this is the design. This is the design. And now we'll be coloring this using a very unique technique. You can do it digitally. So for that, we'll require color pencils and the same color sketch pen. So we will require the colors green, yellow, red, and blue. Color pencils and the same colored sketch pens. So now we'll start first by coloring with the color pencils. So we'll color first, we'll do it with color pencils, and then I'll show you the technique of how we have to use the sketch pens for coloring. So here we'll do blue, red. So you can even use your own colors. You can use your own or your favorite colors. Red. Then we'll leave a triangle, go for green. Yellow. Lastly, in the last triangle, we'll color it red, but not the circle. This way. Next, we'll color all the border area, the circular, the petals outside as borders. So then, outermost petal will have the color blue. In all the petals. So in all the petals, this outermost petal will have the color blue. So don't worry if there are white spaces in your color. Since you're using color pencils, that is a default that can be done. So don't press your color pencil really hard on the paper, and there are chances that your color pencil might break repeatedly. So very light hand, using very light hand, you can do this. Don't worry if there are any white spaces. So all the outside petals. So coloring a handmade contemporary art is my favorite part of the whole drawing, because the technique that I use and what I will be teaching you today. Right now the colors might feel a bit dull, but wait till the end to see the after results. So this might seem a little boring to all of you, but it's not. Because when you do it digitally, this work can be done within like 15-20 minutes. But doing the same work handmade, that's a different task, but a very beautiful one. Don't pressurize yourself on coloring this very dark. So next, it's yellow. So all the second layer petals will have the color yellow. Do it very lightly, patiently. Do tag us in on our Instagram and Facebook pages if you have if you have made the works inspired by these sessions. We would love to see your work. So many of you have tagged us and given us a chance to see your work, beautiful work. Next, the third layer will have the color red. So don't even worry about your strokes or patterns. Just make sure that your color doesn't mix with any other layer color or the white spaces. You can even use poster color. If you are not fond of the technique that I will be teaching you, you can even use poster colors or acrylics to do this. As you can see, there are some white spaces remaining in the color, but that's not a point to worry. So firstly, we'll complete the whole painting with color pencils, and then I'll show you the trick. The single leaves will have the color green. So all the leaves, single leaves out here will have green. You can play with colors, like play with shades too, like dark green, light green, leaf, medium, any green. Even kids can practice all these art forms, especially contemporary, which can be really playful for them. So in case you are interested to learn any of these art forms that we have been teaching you in detail, you can contact us at the Creative Kalakar on our Instagram page, or you can comment below. And whenever you want handmade eco-friendly gifts, handmade eco-friendly products for gifts, gifting or home decor, you have a very best option with you, that is Things Etc. So all the single leaves are colored green. Now we are left with coloring the center mid area. For that, first, the rim of this drawing will be blue. Poster colors are definitely easy. Poster or any water-based solution, oil-based colors are really easy for this contemporary handmade art. But this longer process, that is the pencil one, a pencil color and sketch pen one, is my favorite. This triangle will be blue. Green. The petal patterns here will be yellow. The patterns here will be red. The tongue of goddess will be red. Watch out for the teeth. Don't color it red. We'll color her lips red. Again, watch out for the teeth. This will be yellow. Her nostrils, nose will be yellow. The bigger circle here will be red. Now this portion here, the circles here will be yellow. Outer diamond blue. Inside diamond red. Her hair will be red. So in case you have missed any of our previous sessions, you can watch it on YouTube channel of the Creative Kalakar or YouTube and Facebook channel of Things Etc. Now for the pole drop shape, the first outermost droplet will be yellow. Second, we'll leave it white as of now. Third one will be red. And the last one also will leave it blank for now. These circles, the two semicircles out here, will be yellow. Like this, and the innermost circle, semicircle, will be red. Next up, the circular chains here will be blue, even if you color it very lightly, that's fine. But if you're using poster or acrylic, this method won't work. The method that I am teaching you will only work for color pencils. Next, a red bindi. The outer portions of her eye. If you're using poster colors or acrylics, you can color them directly, the colors. The portion up here will be red. Yellow eyeballs. So if I forgot to make the third eyeball, the eyeball for the third eye. The eyelids for the third eye will be red and similar to the other two eyes, yellow eyeballs. Her curly wavy hairs out here will be yellow. The curved circular triangular portion here, curved triangular portion, red. And lastly, for our crown, we'll use yellow and green. So alternatively, we'll color green. So every alternate block will have green. And every alternate block that is left will be yellow. Okay, so here we are done with the pencil coloring. Now for the technique, we'll require, like I told in the beginning, we'll require the same colored sketch pen. So the 4 color sketch pens, blue, yellow, green and red. Now, using the blue sketch pen, we'll color over all the portions wherever we have colored it blue. Using a blue sketch pen, we'll color it all over the blue areas. So here you can see the difference. This one is done using color pencil only, and this one I've colored with sketch pen over color pencil. So you can see the difference. Wait until you see the whole drawing. Make sure you let the sketch pen dry out very properly. So wherever it's blue, now we'll color using a sketch pen. We'll color it blue. So for the white spaces, like I said, if there are any white spaces, don't worry. When you color it using this, all the white spaces that are left will get covered. Or if not, try to cover them up. So in between, the sketch pens might tend to stop. So wait for a few seconds and then start again. So many of you might have this thought that why not directly color with sketch pen if we have to color on color pencils also. So the effect that a color pencil plus sketch pen gives is different because when you color with sketch pen on a color pencil, you might not have any stroke on it and also get a fine, clear, soft, uh, clear finish to your painting. But when you do it directly with a sketch pen, you get various strokes on it. So that's why it's advised if you want to use sketch pens, first color it using a color pencil. So this is a great activity for kids. So you can see the difference in blue that is starting to come. So you can see how blue got its soft finish. Likewise, we'll color everywhere. The same finish can be achieved using poster colors, a similar finish, but what you get of this is more. So I'm coloring all the spaces where I had blue. So you can see the difference in blue. Likewise, we'll do it for all the other colors. Coming next is red. Can even use brush pens for the same. So like I said, your sketch pen might tend to stop. Wait for a few seconds and start again. So this happens mostly because the ink is running fast since we are coloring using a sketch pen. So whenever your sketch pen tends to stop, wait for a few seconds and then start again. So if you can't give your kids to use poster colors right now, you can definitely use this technique and allow them to color. I hope you practice this technique once so that you know what a difference it makes. Now this time make sure you don't mix with any other color and wait for the area of the sketch pen to dry. It dries quickly, but still wait and check so that it doesn't stick to your hand and smudge the paper. It also gives a glossy effect to your drawing. So we are done with red and blue. Next up, yellow. So right now you might not be able to see much difference in yellow, but definitely try this method because yellow is a light color and upon it, this technique definitely works on it, but right now you won't be able to see what difference it makes. So now try to cover all the white spaces that were left. So I hope you can make out the difference. Last color, green, but this is green won't be the end of our coloring. There is one more color that we have to do. So all the leaves, single leaves that were green, make sure if your sketch pen is showing strokes, even while coloring on a color pencil, make sure you go in one direction only so that your strokes are not differentiated. In the crown there is green, so we'll color it there too. So the before and after color pencil, you can see how glossy it has become and how smooth it is, looking very digitized. Lastly, we have done a drawing of Ma Kali, and how come there is no black in it? So now we'll color black. So all the white space inside this face will be black. So first, outline wherever you are doing the black, outline the area first so that the black doesn't spread to other colors. Here also you can use the color pencil technique, but since black is already dark, and if you want gloss, you can definitely go with doing a color pencil first and then the sketch pen on. So all the remaining spaces out here, white spaces. There are some spaces that will purposely leave it white for giving a color. Like these small circles out here, they will be purposely left white. Brush pens are the best option. You can go with brush pens when you want to color a larger area with the same color. Make sure you outline each area with black before starting the coloring, so that it doesn't merge with the already existing colors. And if you notice, it also gives a highlight. Carefully, very. Make sure to do it very lightly and not to merge the black with other colors. And make sure you do black at the very last, because black tends to merge with other colors. So do black at the very end of the painting. Sketch pen is showing strokes go in one direction. Very carefully. So if you wish to make, if you're doing it directly with sketch pens, or if you're using this color pencil and sketch pen technique, you can directly color your or outline your shape or the painting with black sketch pen directly. But using a black pen gives thin borders and outlines. So now similarly here, done with this side, similarly we'll color it on this side. So like here, I've colored
all the spaces left. So there are some spaces that we purposely left white to show a white color. So in black, no white spaces should be left while coloring. And in the pearl drop, we had left the second layer to be blank, that is white. There we have to color it black.
So this, you had seen the before and after, and this is the final one. Goddess Kali. I'll show it to you. So this is the final outcome of our painting today. Goddess Kali in contemporary style. So if you had seen, I've shown you the before of doing only color pencil and working on it with sketch pen has given it a glossy poster color feel. So this is how the painting is. So in case you have missed any of our sessions, you can follow and subscribe our YouTube channel and find the sessions there at the Creative Kalakar on YouTube and the Things ECT on YouTube. Or you can even find the sessions down on the Facebook page of Things etc. Thank you so much everyone for joining today. See you all tomorrow with another beautiful art form. Thank you so much.